guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited that you are watching my video again. Please, if it's your first time watching my video, there is a subscribe button down below. Do not forget to click on the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so in this video I'm going to be, I don't know what I want to create, but I just want to do, I don't know, I'm just in the mood and I just want to go with the flow. Okay, I don't have a particular look in my head that I want to create or something, but I guess by the end of the video, after I've created whatever it is I want to create, I will know what to title this. But I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. So guys, I want the focus of this video to be on whatever it is I'm going to be creating on my eyes. So I'll just go off camera and do my skin work, and then I'll be back to create my eye look. I changed my mind and I figured I should just do my brows and my eye work first, because first of all, like I said, I don't know what look I'm going to be creating, but I feel like it's something that is going to end up being so messy, like on my skin. So I figured I could just do the eye work first. I'm talking too much, but I just want to do my eye work first before doing the skin work. I've successfully finished working on my brows, and now I'm going to start working on my eye. Remember, the focus of this video is on my eye look, so that's what this video will be centered on. So first, I'm working with this palette. And Verony. So I'm going in with this shade. So guys, I went out to finish the eye look on this eye, and oh my god, it's giving me orgasm already. I cannot wait to finish this look. Come on now, like, check it out. So I'll just go on and finish it on this eye, so you see what I did. guys, I went ahead to finish my skin work and also gave some finishing touch to my eye look, and this is the result. So for my lipstick, I'm going to be applying this two from ZKL Cosmetic, Don't Tell and Seduce. This is Don't Tell, this is Seduce. So that's what I'm going to be using for my lip. Okay guys, this is it for the final look. So guys, if you love this look just as much as I do not forget to leave your comments in the comment section. I'll be reading. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.